How to download and install the Visual Studio's code for Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Visual Studio's code or the VS Code for your Windows 11 computer system. So basically there are two prominent methods to download the Visual Studio's code. The first method is by using the Microsoft Store, and the other and the more recommended method is using the official VS Code website. So let me show you both of these methods. So in the first method, we will be using the Microsoft Store to download the VS Code. So the first thing that we need to do is head on to the Microsoft Store. So to open the Microsoft Store, simply scroll your cursor towards the bottom of your screen and onto this search bar right here. Simply search for Microsoft Store. And under the best match you might find this Microsoft Store right here. So simply double click onto this to open and access the Microsoft Store. So currently it says check your connection, so let me quickly connect to my Wi-Fi and then we will proceed on downloading the VS Code from Microsoft Store. So here now I have connected to the internet and my Microsoft Store has loaded. So the next thing that you need to do after the Microsoft Store has successfully loaded is to go towards the search bar and search for VS Code and then hit the enter button. And now here in the search results, you can see a variety of applications, and one of the first application is the Visual Studio Code by Microsoft Corporation. So once you will click on to this, you can see that this is the official Visual Studio Code application, and if you want to get more details about it, then you can get it by scrolling down and you can see all of the features that it contains, and apart from that it will also contain the publisher information as well. So to download the Visual Studio's code, simply click onto this install button and your file will get downloaded and it will automatically get installed into your computer system. Now moving on to the more recommended and the second method is that we use the official Visual Studio's Code website to download the VS Code. So to do that, what you need to do is open any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any web browser that best suits you. So for this demonstration, let me open Google Chrome, and then once you are inside the Google Chrome, you need to search for VS Code download. And once you will search for VS Code download, you can see this particular first link. This is itself from the https code.visualstudio.com. So this is the official Visual Studio's Code website, and you need to click onto this first link that says download Visual Studio Code, Mac, Linux, and Windows. So click on to this, and here is the interface of the website, and on the left hand side you can see all of the downloads which are available for Windows, including Windows 10 and Windows 11, and in the center you can see the downloads for Linux, and on the right hand side you can see the downloads for Macintosh operating system. So since we are looking it for the Windows, you can see that it has a variety of installations like the user installer system and the simple installer, zip and CLI installer as well. So you don't have to worry about these. Simply click onto this Windows button right here, and here you can see that it has automatically downloaded me the best suitable file according to my operating system and system architecture. So let us wait for it to get downloaded, and here you can see that the setup has been successfully downloaded into a system. So simply click onto this open button to run the Visual Studio's Code installation setup. Now here in the setup it asks for the license agreement. So you need to click onto this first option that says I accept the agreement, and then you need to click onto the next button, and in here it would ask you to select the destination folder where you would like to install the Visual Studio's code. So I will leave it to the default folder, and then I will click onto the next button. Now in the next button it will ask me to select start menu folder. So I will leave it to the default value again, and then I will click onto the next button. And now here are some additional tasks that you can do, like you can create a desktop icon if you want. You can add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu if you want, and you also have this option to add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. And then the other two are already selected, which are register code as an editor for supported file type and add to path require shells restart. So I will not recommend that you unselect this option, as this is a very critical part in running the Visual Studio's code, which if you will unselect, then you will have to do it manually, and it is a tedious process. So once you are done with all of this, simply click onto the next button, and then it says that the VS Code is ready to install. So simply click onto this install button, and here it says preparing to install. Please wait while setup installs Visual Studio's code on your computer. So let us wait for the extraction and installation of these files, and once that will be done, we will be able to run our Visual Studio's code into our computer system. And here you can see that once the installation has been completed, it will notify us with this dialog box that says setup has finished installing Visual Studio's code on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting the installed shortcuts. So if you wish to launch the Visual Studio's code right after you click this finish button, you need to check mark this icon that says launch Visual Studio code. And once I will click onto this finish button, you can see that the Visual Studio's code has been successfully launched in my system. So that's how easily you can download and install the Visual Studio's code for Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, do drop a like, tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.